Creating an account with the Bucks County Register of Wills and Clerk of the Orphans Court is easy. For help, follow these 5 steps. 1. Go to buckscounty.org/ROWOC records. 2. Scroll down and click Create Account. 3. Fill in all information. 4. Choose a unique username and password. 5. Create account. Now let's do it together. First, go to www.buckscounty.org/ROWOC records. On the home page of the e-filing system, scroll down and click Create Account. Fill in all of the requested information. Be sure to choose a unique username and password, and store them in a secure place so that you may remember them in the future. Select Save in the top right corner of the screen. Once all fields are saved, you will be redirected to the Login screen. Log in using your new username and password. Accept the online services disclaimer, and you'll be ready to go. As always, please reach out with any questions or concerns at 215-348-6265.